If you're considering JobPrepped, you're probably wondering if it's the right fit for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. So stay with me, because by the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether JobPrepped can truly elevate your career. First off, JobPrepped is designed to help you land your next job faster. It's a career prep platform that goes beyond the standard resume builder and job search sites, which can sometimes feel like you're throwing your resume into a void. Unlike competitors, JobPrepped focuses on active career strategies, showing you how to stand out to recruiters and hiring managers with step-by-step guidance. Next thing to consider is the personalization. JobPrepped tailors its content to your specific industry and career goals. What sets it apart from others like LinkedIn Learning or Skillshare is that it doesn't just provide generic courses. Instead, you get personalized action plans based on your desired job. Whether you're aiming for a tech role, a marketing position, or something else entirely, JobPrepped helps you focus on exactly what you need to land that dream job. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach like many other platforms. The third thing you should know is that JobPrepped is incredibly user-friendly. It offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface where you can track your progress as you go through each module. Compared to some other career prep platforms that can be overwhelming with too much information, JobPrepped simplifies the process, giving you just the right amount of material at the right time. Another key point, the resume and cover letter builder. While other platforms offer resume templates, JobPrepped goes a step further by analyzing job descriptions and helping you optimize your resume and cover letter for each role. It's something you won't always find with other tools. This is a huge advantage when applying for jobs because it increases your chances of passing through applicant tracking systems, ATS, something you need to be aware of when sending your resume to any major company. The fifth thing you should know is the job search assistance. JobPrepped's job search tools include a job board that aggregates listings from various sources, but it also provides custom alerts based on your preferences. So if you're tired of scrolling through endless job boards on sites like Indeed or Monster, this can save you time and effort, letting you focus on the roles that are the best fit for you. Next thing, networking. JobPrepped emphasizes the importance of building a professional network, and they have unique features to help you do that. Whether through connections with other members, access to mentors, or exclusive networking events, the platform gives you ways to grow your professional circle, which is a big advantage over more passive job sites that don't facilitate much interaction. Lastly, I want to talk about the trial offer. JobPrepped gives you a free trial to test out the platform, which is crucial when you're deciding if this is the right tool for you. If you're unsure about committing long-term, having the chance to try it for free lets you explore everything the platform has to offer without any risk. Most competitors don't offer anything close to this level of transparency, so it's definitely a win for JobPrepped. If you're considering using JobPrepped, now's your chance to get the best offer available. Just click the first link in the description to start your free trial and take advantage of some exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. Trust me, you won't regret seeing for yourself how JobPrepped can fast-track your job search.